Hi, today we're going to learn about GIT Squash. Now how to combine commits using Squash. Like say if you have four commits and you want to make that four commits into one single commit, then you can use GIT Squash. And Squash is not a command, and GIT Squash is one of many options available for you on the Git interactive rebasing systems. So the more common user for Squash is basically repacking commits that are related to each other. Git Squash allows you to rewrite history in any way you choose. So let's check the commands. So I'm going to check out from master to branch. So git checkout. And my branch name is feature one. So git log. See, I have a number of commits. What I'm going to give is git rebase hyphen I user head till, and I want to combine three commits to one. So I'll give three. So this shows this is given I mode as this is Vim. I'll give a squash command over here. Over here also squash. Okay, I'm going to save this. I'm going to use a hash command over here for this 2 because this is the commit message what I have given. Okay, sorry. I mode hash, and over here also hash. Okay, I'm going to save this. So it's successfully changed. I'll give a command get log hyphen hyphen one line. You see, there were previously number of commits. Now that's changed to only one single line. So this is how you can do a get squash, combining couple of commits to one single commit. I hope you like the video. Thank you.